The Walt Disney Company announced on Thursday a supersized lineup of new shows and movies coming to Disney+, Hulu and ESPN and streaming platforms, and included in the some 50 new projects are an astonishing 10 new Star Wars spin-offs. The announcement was made at the media giant's Investor Day and featured shareholders getting glimpses of never-before-seen footage of new shows, films, and characters who will enter the Star Wars universe over the next few years. Kennedy also showed footage from Star Wars: The Bad Batch, a show that centers on characters from a group of clone troopers known as Clone Force 99, or The Bad Batch, from the acclaimed Star Wars: The Clone Wars animated series. Of course, many of the Star Wars greats took to Twitter to share their excitement of what's to come. Director Jenkins shared a video of herself on her Twitter account announcing her new role as director of the highly anticipated new installment. She explained her desire to create a fighter pilot movie was instilled in her as a little girl. Another 10 new series hail from the Disney-owned Marvel Comics universe, as well as 15 Disney live-action, Disney Animation, and Pixar series, and an additional 15 all-new Disney live-action, Disney Animation, and Pixar feature films to Disney+.